Hey everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner for the week of August 19th through 25th. Oh my gosh. I say this in every video, but August is going by so fast. Anyway, I'll be using this month's sticker sheet from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, her luxury advent calendar. Now this is a massive sticker and I have no idea where I'm putting it, but I'll figure it out. All right, let's get started. Okay, seriously, where am I gonna put this sticker? Because it's so big. Like, it takes over the page. I could put it here. Like, anywhere I put it, it's going to cut off a huge portion of the spread, but I don't want to take away from it, if that makes sense. I'm sure I could use the rest of them in this spread and be pretty happy, and then use this in, let me just check, Saturday, Sunday, and I could use one of these in here for my journal. I could do that. Yeah, I could do that. All right, I'll make it work. I will make it work. All right, so going back here, and I actually want to use some of these washies from According to Allie. Let me have a look here. Let me put this down. And this was always going to go in this corner, but I'm just checking in terms of, oh yeah, plenty of room. I feel like this really matches what is happening for me this week. I'm traveling this week, and I guess I'm not going to the Eastern Shore. I'm going to be in San Francisco, but I think this is so lovely in terms of representing that I'm going away and I'm going to a place that doesn't look like anything near me. Okay, so let's use this. Oh, actually, wait. Okay, so after some digging, I found some of these alcohol ink stickers from According to Allie, and I will definitely be using them. Now, just thinking, is the pink too bright? I feel like the pink might be too bright, and maybe this washi. It's almost as if the pink of these flowers is just in between these two. And I'm trying to figure out which one I want to use. So maybe let's take one of these and cut them in half like I normally do. Here we go. Why don't I ever have the scissors right next to me? Ooh, this looks kind of like a face. There we go. I'm gonna place one up here. And then do another one on this side. And then I will do a pink one. Maybe I'll just do a tiny pink one. Oh my gosh, those look so cute together. And even pink here. Yeah, it's gonna cover the word August a little bit, but that's okay. Then I will cut one of these in half. And place along the top. Oh, so cute. I'm actually really liking how those are combined. We'll do it this way. All right, so now we can decorate the rest of the spread. Let's put okay, to me, this is Pimm's. If anybody is familiar with Pimm's, please let me know. That is my absolute favorite drink in the world, and I absolutely love it. It's my favorite drink in the whole world. I know that's probably not what it is, but I love Pimm's. Love Pimm's. Okay, then putting this here because I know that I probably won't be up that early on those days, but we'll see. Then the flower and seashell. Ooh. Yeah. I almost feel like I should save those, but no, I won't. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Love them. And then one last seashell here. Now, I want to make sure though I do still have enough room for my habit tracker here, so I'll actually place this here. Just put the sticker down, and then I will use that for my daily pages. How pretty does that look? Oh my gosh, that's so bright. I love it. All right, so now moving on to the sidebar here. This is where I keep track of my sleep score. I almost feel like I should write with a blue ink, but I don't have a blue like this currently inked up. So my sleep score, 8, 7, whoops, 6, 5, 3. Normally the sleep that I have in the lead up to a trip is not very good. Stressing out over things, getting stuff done. But my flight on Thursday is actually a little bit later. I don't have to get up at 3 in the morning for this flight, thankfully. Just wake up at my usual time. The ink I have in this one is Ferris Wheel Press Oyster Hour. Really pretty brown ink. Monday, Tuesday. I can't believe that it is already the week of the San Francisco Pen Show. Like, since the Pacific Northwest Pen Show, there's been a lot that's happening, and I feel like this last month has gone by so quickly. So, all right, let's write in my shifts here. I had a total brain fart last week. Well, the brain fart lasted for quite a while actually, because I was informed a few weeks, maybe a couple of weeks ago, what my shift pattern is going to be once I'm out of training. And I have worked with Eastern time zone and Central time zone and Mountain time zone so much, but I haven't really worked in the Pacific time zone, which is where my current company is based. So when they gave me my new shift time, I was like, oh, okay. It's gonna be 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Mountain time. No, it's going to be the same shift that I currently have now, because I checked back through all the emails, but the original email did say 8 to 4 Pacific time. I don't know why I decided to think that that was Central time and I was working 7 to 3. But anyway, figured it out last week after weeks of thinking that was my shift. Okay. All right, so to-do lists here. The usual meal plan and order groceries, but I will also be trying to finish up orders, and I also have freebies or swaps to send out, or samplers to send out for a couple of things coming. Yeah. What else? So there's going to be a lot to do over the next few days. Then on, what day are we here? Tuesday, put out garbage. Actually, the next few weeks are going to be busy for me and my family, because my husband is also going on a trip too with our brother-in-law. And oh boy, where did all my icons go? That's funny. hold on. I had a big pile of my mini icons and now I have no idea where they are, but I will use what I've got here. So these are my mini garbage icons. Then, gosh, it's gonna drive me nuts. I have no idea where they are. They are normally in here, unless they fell out. Oh, they did. They were behind the shelf. There we go. Panic over. Okay. And then, because I won't be here Thursday, we're gonna get the groceries delivered on the Wednesday. These little bags from Paper Bits Co. are so cute. She just had a sale and I totally stocked up on these. So I love her little icons. Pick up groceries. Then, let's see, Thursday, Friday, I have, oh, how am I gonna do this? So, let's look here. I have a whole bunch of like pen and ink stickers that I want to use to represent certain things. And oh, that's perfect. So Friday, the show does open at 9, but then I have a nib and tuning class from 9:30 to 12:30. I'm so excited for that. So 9:30 to 12:30 nib, care, and tuning basics. Really, that's the main thing that I've got scheduled for that day. Then Saturday, I have my nib appointment with Kirk Spear. Oops. At 9:30. I'm actually gonna do it like, you know what? Tweezers. Why do I never have my tweezers? Oh my gosh, seriously? You guys should see the mess on my desk because I don't know where my tweezers are. Okay, so 9:30. Stay. 9:30 with Kirk for my nib grinds. And then I have the second part of the nib and care tuning. I forget the exact name of the seminar. Let me look it up. It is the nib grinding workshop. I didn't get a chance to take classes last year, so I'm really excited about this. And then there is a little meetup planned that evening with Simona and a group of people from her Discord. But I think I'm going out Friday night with a couple of other people too. And then I'm supposed to see my cousin on the Thursday. Crazy, crazy day. And then Sunday is when I fly back. So this is pretty, well, it's gonna stay pretty open until I add things here and there. And then I'm gonna add my habits down here. So audiobook. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I had a goal of reading 20 books this year, and I've already read my 20. Now the majority of them are audiobooks. And I'm so thankful for audiobooks because without them, I would not be reading as much. I don't always have the time or necessarily attention span or patience to be able to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, to be able to sit and read a book. Whereas with an audiobook, I can listen to it while I am going on a walk, doing chores, working on orders, things like that. All right. Wow. Okay. I really like the look of that. I love the pinks and blues in here, but I also know that I needed a little bit of brown to neutralize all of the pinks and blues. It's so, so pretty. And JoJo's done fantastic again with this month's edition of the Advent calendar. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks again for watching and have yourselves a great day.